Welcome back to another video. We are thrifting again. We are at Goodwill, and me and Jordan were just saying that we like Goodwill better than Savers, which it used to be Savers, now it's Goodwill. But we're gonna see what we can find.
For those of you that are new here, be sure to subscribe and join the family, because we come here thrift hunting and then we take it home and we try to like repurpose things and give it new life. So if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe. We really need new couches, and Jasmine is trying to get me to buy this couch and redo it. But it's such a nice style. I just don't have confidence with stuff like this. Like, what do I do right there? You know?
This would look pretty in my room. And where that white vanity is, I can take that one out and put this right there. That'd be so pretty.
This is really pretty. Redo it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is clean, dude. Should we do it?
Yeah.
It's just missing a drawer though.
Put a light or something, or a charging station.
I don't know why I made that noise.
I could put like, you could put like a hole through here and then put my charger so that I can just charge my phone. I've seen stuff like that on YouTube.
Does Mickey think it's a good idea?
Okay. Ooh, you're gonna ruin it.
Doesn't that fit?
No.
Hey, Daddy's strong though, huh?
We could
Let me
make
guess it. You can make it into a kitchen?
Yeah, like a kitchen, or like, okay, hear me out, okay?
I'm not buying it.
It's $13, hear me out. We could make this a Starbucks for Ellie. Like, or like a Target or something. I've seen it on Pinterest. How cute would that be? All we really have to do is like paint it up.
No, it's super cool, but like, it won't fit in the car first off.
Yes, it will. There's no kids in there.
Babe, it won't fit.
Babe.
Okay, pick a project. Pick a project. Do you want this for our room, or do you want that?
You can do that one and I can do this one.
$4.50?
Look what I found.
What is that for?
For Ellie. For
You're gonna let her
gymnastics.
have her booty out still?
No, because it's bigger. This little cute romper from Target. Look at the price.
Wow.
I know. And then I also found this table runner.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
How much? $4.50? Bro, Jasmine, I've been wanting that.
Ew.
Biggest flop ever. That is so you. Because Jasmine can't go to California, guys. She's constantly looking at our old memories on Facebook.
On the way here, I was telling you how I feel like crying because I want to be in California so bad. Huh.
That is cool. We have a clock already, though. Look at that right there. Oh, it's heavy. $15 though? Get out of here. Oh, wow, those are nice.
These are cool to do, like, cool signs, huh? I need that for Zay.
For real, dude. Zay's the pickiest person out of our family.
Yes. Well, not out of our family.
Out of me, you, and Ellie?
Oh, yeah, out of that family, yeah. Lord Jesus. I don't know what this is.
Whoa. To hold really big napkins. I like this.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty. I like that.
$3.50?
Yeah. Look at that. It's like
Dude,
antique
is that like
too.
vintage?
Yeah. It doesn't have, does it have a price on it?
Oh wow, this
Disney.
is actual Disney, dude.
That's cool.
It doesn't have a price.
We'll just tell him it had a blue sticker on it.
Wow, dude, this is like real, like... I like that. Because we're so indecisive, we need this. The executive decision maker.
No, we need this when we're here with Lisa and Janelle and we can't decide where to go eat.
Do it.
Is he ever gonna stop?
Dude, they tipped it so it would always go to thumbs up. That's why it's... Watch, it's gonna do it again, look.
That's pretty, huh?
For $6.50?
Yeah.
You get that at Ross for $5. Take a picture like this, you down?
No.
We got the cat to Claude, you could be next.
I know, I read that. That's dumb. My life, dude. Fuck my life.
E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that is so cool. This is the kind of stuff Jordan has in his office. So
But this isn't.
it's not Disney, but still. Look at this. Should we get this for Zay or what?
Oh my gosh, Jasmine. He's so terrified of that
He's
stuff.
terrified of like dolls and stuff.
Jasmine found that too, guys.
Yeah.
Like, some stuff's just overpriced.
Yeah.
Like $4.50 for this? It's actually really cool, but like, should I get it or not? No, because I want all Disney in my room. No way.
And it's 50% off.
Dude, $2.50?
Get it.
Look at that. For what though? You know you could just go around?
I'm not even gonna pull it out, it's expensive.
No, put your mask on. I just don't want cliche crap in my house.
That's cute for our room. And love is patient, because if it wasn't, I wouldn't be with you no more. Tell them what you said to me yesterday. Yay, another day closer to divorce, because that's coming for you.
And so what I really said is success in marriage is much more than finding the right person. It's a matter of being the right person.
You're not the right person.
Honestly, Jasmine, it is what it is, but it will become what you make it. Honestly, Jasmine, thanks for leaving me hanging. Said your dry towel.
I don't leave because I don't have a job or a car.
Honestly, guys, this is what I was reading right here. Have you ever wanted to make jelly moose nose?
What's that?
Bro, it's a straight, like, recipe on this. Look at that, Jasmine. What do you think that is from?
Harry Potter?
Yep, it is.
It is?
100%. That's the Laras map.
That's cool. It's cheap.
It's actually really cool. It's only $3.50. Look at this. It's kind of cute, huh?
Yeah.
Those are cool.
These are cool, huh? Look at this one. Look.
These are handcrafted, bro. That's really cool. How much are they?
$5.
$4.50? That's awesome. If I had like an outdoor room, like a man cave, I'd put it in there as decoration. Ooh.
It's $1.
Heck yeah, it's a
From
cruise.
Typhoon Lagoon or whatever.
Yeah, that's their water park out there, Blizzard Beach.
Oh, I found you more.
No way.
Oh, I found you a lot.
No way. Sit down, girl. Sit down. Waiting on you. Are they all $1?
Yeah.
Jasmine, I have this same collection. This is the collection I have at home.
I used to have these growing up. I wish I still had them.
So different. You almost sat down. I almost got excited.
I did sit down. I got on my knees. I don't get on my knees a lot.
Huh?
I said I don't get on my knees a lot.
You should pray more.
That's the only thing I get on my knees for.
Not a lot though, huh? Jasmine! Oh. I just seen Magic and for Anthony.
Yeah.
Look at Six Flags Magic Mountain.
Oh.
But I'm gonna put it back.
Why?
It's Six Flags. I don't care for Grumpy, to be honest with you. Who else feels like that at the place they work? I think, therefore, I am overqualified to work here. Oh, shoot. For Zay, when we redo his room?
Yeah.
Should we not show him? Oh, it's missing a card.
It's alright, we could just add one.
Should we get it for him?
Yeah.
Steve Nash, Sean Marion, Amari Stoudemire. So we got it home and we just need some ideas on what we should do with it color-wise. So let us know in the comments below. We want to get this thing painted or stained. So yeah, let us know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.